Hi everyone, I'm Anna Peters, Sam Villa ArTeam member, here today to share with you this really cute, fun bubble braid. It's so fun to do and even more fun to wear, and we just wanted to give you our little version on how to create this. So let's get started. Okay, before we start our bubble braid, we're gonna go through and create some texture in the hair so that we get more grip and a lot more volume with our braids. So going in, here's our texture iron. We're just gonna go in and just gently tap down the hair. So you can see these plates in there, and the type of texture that it gives the hair is really wonderful, and it expands really nicely so that when you're trying to build a big shape or a really voluminous braid, you're gonna have that built into your style already. Once the whole head is textured, we're gonna go in and just create a triangular section to start our first bubble. Combing through the hair, you can see my section, just like that. And then we're just gonna comb through, and we're going to create our first ponytail, securing this with an elastic. And you want this tight to the head. And then just feel free to tighten that down. Now these ends are going to join our next section, and we're going to just take another diagonal section here, including more hair, combing through, making sure there's no tangles in the hair, and we'll start our second ponytail. Now on hair this long, I kind of hold on to those ends so they don't drag up all this hair that's hanging below. It'll save you a lot of time and it won't get so messy. All right, go ahead and secure that down. Now you have your first bubble. So we're just gonna go in, and this little bubble right here, we're gonna just puff that out just a little bit. You have your first bubble. It's nice to puff them along the way so that way we don't get too much tension, and then it's going to be harder to pull them out later on as you work down the style. So from here we're going to continue taking diagonal sections and just moving all the way back down the head shape till we reach the nape. So I'm just going to continue the same thing, making ponytails and then puffing up my bubbles. Make that ponytail nice and secure, finding my bubble and just pulling that out. Just continue taking those sections. They're going to get larger as you move down the head. Always joining hair in from below and securing another ponytail right below. It's nice to keep your ponytails consistently spread apart, so every inch or two, whatever you choose based on the hair density, just keep them consistently the same size. All right, so we just finished the last ponytail that's connecting hair to the head. You can choose to continue all the way down the hair strands, or you could stop right here. But this is the bubble braid, and using our ponytails again as our anchors, keeping them consistently the same distance apart, and then going in and puffing out your bubble each time after you create that space. So just another fun braid that you could create, very simple to do, but it's very trending right now. And again, just making those ponytails and those really cute little bubbles. Hope you enjoyed this. I'm Anna Peters, Sam Villa ArTeam member. Thanks for coming.